Hello guys, this is Kunal Sehgal from Kite Hacks, and in this video I will tell you 10 online shopping life hacks that will change your shopping experience and you may also save some bucks. Coming to the first hack, always buy site fulfilled products only. Like on Amazon, buy Amazon fulfilled products, and on Flipkart, buy Flipkart assured products. This will decrease any possibility of fraud. In case you don't have any option and you need to buy seller fulfilled products, make sure you read the reviews first. And every review should have a verified purchase tag on it. This will make sure that the review is genuine and not faked by the seller. Also make videos before unboxing any order. So the next time if you find any soap or brick in your order, you will be able to claim the refund without any issues. Going forward to the second hack, compare prices of the product with other sites. Most of the time you will find lower prices on other sites. There are apps and extensions that let you compare prices of products on a single platform, like SmartBricks, BuyHutke, MySmartPrice, which compares price of products across over 5 e-commerce websites. Some of these apps also tell you ongoing deals so that you don't have to look around. BuyHutke also shows you the graph about the price difference of the product within a certain period of time. This feature lets you know what is the right time to buy the product. Join online deals group. There are so many groups you can find on Facebook and WhatsApp which post deals and offers as soon as they get to know about it. You don't believe, but I got this Philips headphone worth 1400 rupees for just rupees 40, and this Samsung 64GB high-speed memory card worth 1500 rupees for just 199 in a deal from Flipkart, because I got to know about the deals at the right moment. Check for offers before you buy. You can get huge discounts or cashback if you give your transactions a little time. There are always some offers going on in which you can get like 10% cashback on using that credit card, 75 rupees cashback on paying through wallet balance. On Amazon you can get huge discounts and cashbacks on groceries if you buy them in the beginning of every month. Many times there are great offers for new users. So if you are transacting first time on any site, make sure you check if there are any offers or referral codes you can apply. If you shop online frequently, you can opt for services like Amazon Prime, Flipkart Push. This is like an one-time investment. I know you may find these services expensive, but it will help you a lot throughout the year. Using these services, you can get free deliveries even on a 1 rupees product, and you can also get free next day deliveries, discounted same day deliveries. Amazon Prime also offers you access to deals 30 minutes before non-Prime users, and you will also get Prime Video subscription. Some sites offer free deliveries over 500 or 600 rupees purchases. If you don't shop frequently and want to get free deliveries under that limit, there is a little trick you can do is first add the product you want to purchase and then add a higher price product which makes your final price over 600 rupees and order the product. Once ordered, cancel the other product you added and get your product without shipping. This trick only works with few sites, but I will not recommend doing this more than once or twice. Look for coupons. There are many sites which often provides coupon codes for your purchases. Like on Paytm, you will find coupon codes on most products. You can even get discounts on mobile and DTH recharges, bill payments and more. You just need to do a little Google. There are sites like Cashback which provides cashback if you shop through their affiliate links. They will track your order, and once your order is complete, they will provide you cashback directly into your bank account. Gift cards at cheaper prices. There are sites which provides gift card at cheaper prices. There are offers like if you buy Amazon gift cards, you will get 10% discount. On Little app you can get Domino's, Pizza Hut and many more vouchers at cheaper prices. Wait for sale days. If you're planning to buy some expensive products like trimmer, mobile or washing machine, then wait for some big sales. There are sales on almost every occasion, from monsoon to Diwali. You can save a lot. If you are a frequent buyer, you may have heard about Flipkart's Big Billion Sale and Amazon's Great Indian Sale. These are the biggest sales of all time. In these sales, you can get up to 40 to 60% off on most products. Last but not the least, if you are buying any wearables and there is any deal for selected sizes but not for your size, you can try placing order for smaller or bigger size, and once it gets delivered, create a size replacement request and 70% chances are you will get your size at deal price without any additional cost. So these are the top 10 online shopping life hacks. I hope you liked it, and if you do, then like my video and subscribe to my channel. Share if you know more online shopping life hacks. This is Kunal Sehgal signing off, and I will see you in the next one.